dancers are strong. They have higher resistance to pain, right? No pain, no gain? How many times have you told yourself that success necessarily goes with pain? I am here to tell you that this is completely untrue. 1, 2, overcrossed and coupé, flex. I'll show you a new way to look at barre training. The key is that the focus of every exercise you will learn always comes from the spiral. After being trained at the Paris Opera Ballet School, I danced for years as a professional dancer. When I had serious back problems, I tried all sorts of workouts and saw so many doctors. But then I discovered something new. Instead of a passive arm, we're gonna have an active one. And the pain-relieving effects were immediate. In this class, you will learn my barre method to improve 3 things. Your flexibility, so your muscles become more elastic. Push the floor with that flex to push the other side even higher, more turnout. And it doesn't come from your legs, it comes from your and core strength. This is going to contract your adductors. This barre method changed my life. As soon as you start practicing, everyone, no matter your level or your age, will feel a significant change on your body. Say goodbye to pain. Let's start.